Sermon number 205. In reply to Talha and Zubair's complainment for not consulting them in the affairs of state. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Both of you frown over a small matter and leave aside big ones. Can you tell me of anything wherein you have a right of which I have deprived you, or a share which was due to you and which I have held away from you, or any Muslim who has laid any claim before me and I have been unable to decide it, or been ignorant of it, or committed a mistake about it? By Allah, I had no liking for the caliphate nor any interest in government, but you yourselves invited me to it and prepared me for it. When the caliphate came to me, I kept the book of Allah in my view, and all that Allah had put therein for us, and all that according to which He has commanded us to take decisions, and I followed it, and also acted on whatever the Prophet, may Allah bless him and his descendants, had laid down as his sunnah. In this matter I did not need your advice or the advice of anyone else. Nor has there been any order of which I was ignorant so that I ought to have consulted you or my Muslim brethren. If it were so I would not have turned away from you or from others. As regards your reference to the question of equality, in distribution of shares from the Muslim Common Fund, this is a matter in which I have not taken a decision by my own opinion, nor have I done it by my caprice. But I found, and you too, must have, found, that whatever the Prophet, may Allah bless him and his descendants, brought had been finalized. Therefore, I felt no need to turn towards you about a share which had been determined by Allah, and in which his verdict has been passed. By Allah, in this matter, therefore, you two or anyone else can have no favor from me. May Allah keep our hearts and your hearts in righteousness, and may He grant us and you endurance. Then Amir al-Mu'minin added, may Allah have mercy on the person who, when he sees the truth, supports it, when he sees the wrong, rejects it, and who helps the truth against him who is on the wrong.